Zoom session from your laptop, there's no need to install the app. Just go to wherever the link is being shared with you and click on that link to join. Now it's going to prompt you to open the app. In this case, we're not going to download or install the app in any way. In this case, it pushed me to click here again, and it still is giving me the same error. Be persistent, because now this has popped up. If you cannot download or run the application, join from your browser. So notice I had to click here once or twice to get it to recognize that I'm really not going to install this app. They want you to install the app, but it's not necessary at all. So I'm going to join from my browser. All right, and here's where you need to enter your name and confirm that you are not a robot, and then you can go ahead and join. Okay, and as soon as this meeting starts, I'm all ready to roll.